inability of the Department of State Services to produce the detained leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, has stalled his trial. Shortly after the trial, Judge Justice Binta Nyako arrived at the courtroom. The prosecution counsel, Mohammed Abubakar, informed her that due to logistics challenges, Kanu was not present in court. His explanation sparked off hot arguments from defense counsel, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who accused DSS of frustrating efforts by lawyers and family members to access the detained secessionist leader. Ejiofor made frantic efforts to move an application for the transfer of his client to prison facility as a better option to DSS custody. But the judge refused on the ground that the defendant was not physically produced in court. The judge in her ruling told the parties in the case that the consent of the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Toho, is needed for the trial to go ahead during the court vacation. Justice Nyako equally noted that it was the duty of the prosecution to apply for the Chief Judge's consent if they want the trial during vacation and not the court. At the end of the day's proceedings, Kanu's counsel, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, threw more light on what transpired.
Situation whereby lawyers were chastised today, were brutalized kind of. They were not allowed inside the court because we are suggesting, insisting we should trim down the number of lawyers. I know this is an international case. This is a case that arose Igbo's interests and interests of responsible people. So every responsible person wants to know what's happening in this case. So, and that has been resolved with the court today.
The case was, however, adjourned till October 21st for further hearing. CNN News.